In this video, we'll be going through the step removal and storage of the Lippert Victory step. First, remove the handrail by removing the top and bottom fastening knobs, then sliding the handrail tubes out of the brackets. Secure the handrail to the front of the step by aligning the holes in the handrail with the holes in the step, and then secure with the fastening knobs. After that, remove the fastening pins from both of the adjustment plates, and collapse the step by pulling up on the back of the top step. Then insert the lock pin through the bottom hole in the adjustment plate and both rails. Repeat on the opposite side. Lift the step and remove the fastening pin that secures the foot to the step tube. Adjust the feet of the step to their shortest position, then reinsert the fastening pin. Repeat on the opposite side. Release both of the step latches from the footman loops by pushing forward on the levers. Then lift the step evenly away from the footman loops. And finally, attach the step latches to the clevis pins on the storage brackets, and making sure both of the step latches click into place around the clevis pin.